Yes. Next, we are going to of print of number of 1 is to 4. Okay, this is how we write. Next, if we run, say it's printing 20, 30, 40. Why? See the start. This is the start value, that is 1. 1 means, see, the index will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So in one place it will be printed as 20, and in next it will update. Then 2. 2 means 30. 3 means 40. 4, it won't print 4 because this is the hand value. It will stop before 4. So it will print the third value, that is 40. This is how list splicing will work. List slicing will work. Okay, and this is how the output will be. Next, updating list elements. See, lists are mutable. Lists are mutable. For example, fruits is equals to apple, banana, orange. Fruits of 1 is equals to mango. Print of fruits. Okay, updating. See, lists are mutable means changeable. Okay, we can change the list. Fruits is equals to apple, banana, orange. In the place of 1, that is 0, 1, 2. There are 0, 1, 2 elements, list elements in the fruits. If I update the 1th value, that is banana, with mango, then if I print fruits, it's going to update apple. In the place of banana, mango will be replaced, and orange, like this. Let us see the if I see fruits, it is a variable now. Fruits, in this fruits, I'm assigning apple. I'm making a list of apple, banana, comma, orange, orange, orange. Okay. Now I'm updating. Okay, updating elements. Fruits of 1. Fruits 1 is equals to, in the place of 1, I'm replacing banana with mango. Now if I print fruits, it will give me the answer. As you can see, it is changing. In the place of banana, mango is replaced, and updation is complete. I'll clear it. Then if we see the notes, this updating list elements is done. Because lists are mutable, we can change the list. Lists are mutable. Next topic is adding elements. Next topic is adding elements. See, for adding elements, we are going to use append, insert, extend. Okay, these three we are going to use. First is append. See, adds one element at the end. Append, it will add one element here. Append, it will add one element at the end. That means fruits is equals to apple comma banana. it is.